Hello, I'm Nikki. Welcome to Off-Grid Style. Let's get started.
Cinnamon, a beloved spice known for its distinctive flavor and aromatic warmth, has been valued for centuries, not only for culinary delights, but also for its potential health benefits. In the world of emergency preparedness, stocking up on cinnamon might seem a little unconventional, but its versatility and various properties make it a valuable addition to any well-rounded stockpile. Here are 10 compelling reasons to consider incorporating cinnamon into your emergency supplies. Long shelf life. Cinnamon is a dry spice with a long shelf life, making it an excellent candidate for stockpiling. Properly stored in a cool, dark place, ground cinnamon can remain flavorful and potent for an extended period, providing a reliable source of flavor and nutrition. Culinary versatility. Cinnamon is a versatile spice that enhances both sweet and savory dishes. From baking to cooking, its warm and comforting flavor can add depth to various meals, making it an invaluable ingredient in the kitchen, especially when dealing with limited food options. Nutrient rich. Beyond its delightful taste, cinnamon contains essential nutrients and antioxidants. It has been linked to potential health benefits, including anti-inflammatory properties and blood sugar regulation. Having access to such nutrients during emergencies can contribute to your overall well-being. Medicinal uses. Cinnamon has a history of medicinal use, and it is believed to possess antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. It has been looked at for its potential to aid in respiratory health, making it a valuable addition to your stockpile for addressing common health concerns during emergencies. Mood enhancement. The warm and comforting aroma of cinnamon is known to have mood-enhancing properties. In stressful situations, the familiar scent of cinnamon may offer a sense of comfort and relaxation, contributing to mental well-being. Flavorful preservation. When stockpiling food for emergencies, maintaining flavor variety can be challenging. Cinnamon can be an essential ally in this regard, as its rich taste can enhance the palatability of stored foods, making them more enjoyable over an extended period. Insect repellent. Cinnamon has a natural insect repelling property. Including cinnamon in your emergency supplies may help deter pests from stored food items, contributing to the preservation of your stockpile. Energy boost. The aroma of cinnamon has been associated with increased alertness and cognitive function. In situations where maintaining focus and energy is crucial, having cinnamon on hand may provide a natural and pleasant boost. Alternative to sugar. Cinnamon's naturally sweet flavor allows it to serve as a sugar substitute in various dishes. This can be particularly valuable in emergency situations where sugar may be scarce, providing a flavorful alternative for sweetening food and beverages. Cultural significance. Cinnamon holds cultural significance in many culinary traditions around the world. Including it in your emergency stockpile not only provides practical benefits, it also connects you to a rich tapestry of global flavors, offering a sense of familiarity and cultural continuity during challenging times.
Well, I hope you liked the video. Please share your thoughts with me. You know I always want to hear from you, and I will always try to answer back. This video has been chosen specifically for you based on your viewer history. YouTube says this is the one that you would most be interested in watching, so if you do me a favor, go ahead and click on it and watch it. Thanks very much.